Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Living. In today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 easy ways to change up a space almost in an instant with little to no effort at all. I hope that you enjoy this video and please make sure to subscribe. Rearranging your furniture in any space is actually the easiest and cheapest way to redecorate a room. We don't have to spend any money at all, just a couple minutes of your time. Rearranging everything again would just make the room look new, and I mean, that always feels nice too. Window treatments is also a great way to update a space. I have like mixed emotions with window treatments because I love how plain windows look, but I also like how curtains look as well. So it's kind of like after you get tired of them, you can take them off kind of thing and then put them back on when you feel like you want them again, like that kind of thing, like when you rearrange your furniture. But anyways, we live in a high traffic area, so I chose to use a sheer white curtain. I love a bright space. I don't like dark rooms, so that is why I went with the white sheer, because I like light coming through, and the white sheer curtains actually allow a lot of light to come in and also provide privacy. Like if you look at the window through the outside or from the outside, you won't be able to see inside unless it's like dark already and you have your lights on, of course. And by the way, if you were wondering, I do get my curtains from IKEA. I think that they're the cheapest because curtains tend to be more expensive if the longer they are. So just a heads up, I will link it down below just in case you guys want to know what they look like and how much I paid for them. Oh, and by the way, I also get my curtain rods from there because they're much sturdier and cheaper, you guys. And plus, I like plain curtain rods, so to me, IKEA has the best options. Another tip for you guys is make sure that when you do hang your curtains, you hang them as high up as possible, so all the way up to the ceiling if you can, because that actually gives the illusion of a high ceiling and a larger window, and it just automatically elevates the space. It makes it look much bigger and brighter. You guys, you cannot go wrong with plants. Plants are the easiest accessory that you can add to your home. I know that they're super trendy right now, but it's for a reason because they look so good. I generally don't like color, so to me, the green of plants actually adds that pop of color that I crave without being too much for me. And I love how it looks against all my neutrals. And you can use real plants, artificial plants, anything, you guys. I promise it'll make your house look so much nicer. Adding a rug actually just pulls a room together and creates a dramatic update in an instant. Last but not least is going to be paint. Paint, you guys, is the best investment you can make. It doesn't cost you that much actually, and it creates the most dramatic change. As you can see, our living room just looks much brighter and more airy, and like I said, you guys, paint I recommend to do 100%. It's going to change up your room completely. And that is all for today's episode. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.